Spring Fresno, California. We just finished installing a cooktop for a homeowner out here. First thing we need to do is go outside, and we ran a little gas line in, put a valve on outside. We'll show you that in a minute, but also a valve on the inside. On the bottom here, you know, because you're required to have a shutoff within, I think, 3 to 4 feet of a cooktop. So, sorry about no lighting down here, but you can see right there. Regulator comes with the unit, and then a short nipple, another short nipple adapter over to a 2-foot supply line. That'll run up to 65,000 BTUs, which is fine for a cooktop. And then you can see shutoff valve. We got it strapped to the bottom of the cabinet, and then of course on the bottom of the cabinet, you can't see back there, but where the screws are, we snapped them off. They were protruding through. We don't want any sharp objects down there, so snapped them off and they're good. So you're nice and fastened down there. We've gone ahead and put everything together for you and tested out of the burners. Everything really looks good. We did relight the water heater for you as well. On the outside of the building, you can see what we had. We just came up, put a separate isolation valve out there. It's not required, but we like to have one out there. In the event you need to do something else, just come out here and you can shut this guy off right here. So this is a secondary valve. You never have to touch this. If you decided you wanted to do something with this line, or you're taking your cabinets out for some reason in the future, I don't know what you'd be doing, but if it involves shutting this portion off to the second valve that's in there, to the second gas valve, shut it off right here. We did reinstall this for you. I can't remember if you wanted it on there or not. You're not going to be able to run the cooktop and a barbecue at the same time. There's not enough gas in this half-inch line, and I'm pretty sure we explained that to you, but if we didn't, just be mindful of that. The valve is in the off position, so just leave that off. If for some reason you don't want this on here and you want to put a plug in it, call us, and it'll be a service trip. But or you can shut the gas back off and put a little plug in there, whatever you'd like to do. But if you're real fast, you can unscrew this and put a plug in there quickly, and a little bit of gas escaping at her. It's not a big deal, but we didn't know, so we went ahead and put this back in for you. So you can barbecue or cook with your cooktop inside. So just a little piece of iron pipe, shut off valve. This is right out of Ferguson, little 90 going through. We silicone the hole closed because it's a penetration into the building, and we don't want bugs crawling in and out of there. So pure silicone, filled the hole all the way in. That's good. And everything else looks good out here. Outside of that, this installation is done.